Morning, everybody. Well, today they're getting started on my slab, get all my footings dug. It's Thursday, April 15th. Beautiful day, a little overcast, but there's rig there. Bring you out back here. This is the future home of Bridgewater Restorations. Going back here, right here in this corner is where the shop's going to be. So I'll give you updates as we go. Now they're getting it laid out. Been a long time coming. Begun pulling all the grass out. Some hard dirt. Another little update. We got all the grass removed where the building is going to be. All the grass removed. They're doing the layout for the slab now. I can't wait. Well, there it is, starting the footings. I probably should have went over there with my shovel and taken the first shovel of dirt out, but no big deal. Ten inch wide by 10 inch deep on the footings. It's gonna be a nice size shop. And then in this corner right here is gonna be my bathroom. There's the mark for the sewer line. Toilet, then the sink, shower in that corner. Just going to continue on out that way to go tie into the sewers. Let me come over here a little bit and I'll bring you back around. That's where the building is going to be. Lord, I tell you, it's been a long time coming. My dream garage slash shop. Okay. We got the footings over here finished. Comes across. Now this is for where the cleanout for the sewer is going to be, and the line will run across over to there. My bathroom is going to be in this corner. More footing work. God, in the backhoe's killer. This is the trench going out to tie into my sewer out in front of the house, where the footings calls for a pretty big footing. They'll finish that part of the footing once they get all the excess dirt pulled out of here and all the gravel in. That's it for now on this. Well, they're done for today. Now they'll come back tomorrow, set all the forms, and then he's dead in the water until the plumber comes out, gets his stuff all done, which is going to go in there, across here, alongside the house, tie it in. So the guy doing the slab and everything, he's dead in the water until the plumbing is all put in and that gets inspected. That's it for today.